watching all of Destiny now. Just doing a little binge watching on my favorite YouTubers. So yeah, make sure y'all check them out. Good morning, friends. So I just wanted to come in and check in really quick. As you saw in the previous 2 clips, I was watching a couple of my YouTubers here. So now I just stopped to make me some breakfast. Just gonna have 2 boiled eggs, and starting to get my water intake back up. So I had some lemon water and then just some regular water, and I'm gonna make me some ginger tea. You want to get your ginger in, trust me. That's how I survived COVID. Yeah, so I'm trying to get my ginger in for the day, and I'll probably check back in once the girls wake up, and yeah, so I'll see y'all soon. I'm trying to vlog, y'all. I'm trying. It's been a so-so day for me. I really haven't been doing much. So I'm gonna do chicken Alfredo tonight, and this is the Nature's Promise all natural chicken breast. I'm just gonna cut this open and I'm gonna clean it, and then I'll be right back. All right, y'all, so I'm back. So far I have already cut up my chicken, and now I am seasoning with garlic, onion, and parsley. Hey girl,
I'll do it too.
can you put clothes on? You can't be on the camera with no clothes on.
I get to do it.
So yeah, you gonna hurt the girls. They all in the video. And I am using Creole seasoning. Everybody know what Creole is, right? Give it that little bit of kick. I'm not using too much. And I don't know if I got the jitters or what, because I'm vlogging, but honey. Yeah, so now I got my chicken seasoned. I'm going to put some butter in it, and we're going to pop this thing in the oven. So while my food is cooking, we are in my makeup station. I had a client to do today. They got married. Shout out to love, right? So I'm just gonna clean up my station. Hopefully y'all can see. Yeah, I'm gonna clean this area up here. So clean with me. Must have. When my clients leave, I already done this, but I'm gonna do it again. I just spray down everything. If this is up, I've already sanitized this with some disinfectant wipes. So that's what's going on here. Yeah.
Okay.
So that's what I'm doing. Hey, y'all, yeah. Move, step back, thank you. I appreciate that.
I am
Leah.
to Leah.
What are you doing?
I'm the cruise sheep.
So that's all we doing on this good Sunday. It's cleaning up, getting prepared for tomorrow.
It's walking there.
Tomorrow is school
Oh,
for them. And mommy has to be the virtual teacher.
Gotta go to virtual.
Yeah.
Gotta get on lounges like us.
This is the kit, all nice and clean. Everything has been sanitized. So that's the kit. Isn't it cute? I'm just gonna close everything on And station is all clean. Don't mind that broom. I'm gonna move it. But station is all clean. Don't mind those bags. Got a lot of stuff coming up, which is why it's right there. So anyway, yeah, this is what my station looks like. My light is on over there. There's my umbrella light there. So yeah, obviously y'all know I love sunflowers. Can't get my words out, but anywho, this is the station. And this is the finished product. We're gonna go ahead and have some Stella Rosa peach, and we're gonna call it a night. I'm gonna end the vlog here because I have to do the girls' hair and get them prepared for school tomorrow. Don't forget to like, comment, rate, and subscribe, guys, and I'll see y'all in the next vlog. Bye. Well, the food was good.
Yes.
It was.
Yes. Yeah.
Good.
I was in the room doing my nails. What?
We were supposed to end the vlog, but
But-
they wanted to come say hey.
But